Do you realize that simply typing words can earn you $50 or more every 10 minutes? Finding a job where you can get paid to type online is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a way to work from home. After all, you can start typing for money whenever you have free time with just a few pieces of equipment, the majority of which you already have. Fortunately, there are numerous websites where you can earn money typing online, whether you prefer typing from audio recordings or handwritten documents. So keep an eye out to see which of these will work best for you so you can start typing for cash right away. Earn $50 every 10 minutes typing words with these sites. Before we start, I have some good news for you. I will be giving away $1,000 in cash prizes and PayPal money this month to 10 subscribers, $100 each as our way of saying thank you. To enter for the draw, here are the 3 easy steps to win the money. Subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Like all of our videos by simply pressing the like button and number. Finally, and the most important step, is that I want you to count how many times I say the word money in the video, and I want you to comment down the number below while leaving a comment about why you like our videos. Make sure to do all 3 of these steps in all of our future videos for the entire month, and once again, 10 lucky winners will be announced every single month via our community post. Now let's get started. To type and earn money, what do you need? You will need some equipment to get started making money typing from home. You probably already have some of these, such as a computer and internet access. Headphones and a foot pedal, on the other hand, can be beneficial, and some companies even require this of their freelancers. Is it possible to make money typing? As I previously stated, there are numerous places where you may earn money by typing audio. That is, you can earn money by typing what you hear on recordings. And many of the organizations in this market have quite similar standards when it comes to what you need to do to type for money. This implies that finding one that checks all of your boxes should be simple. Amazon Mechanical Turk is first on our list. Thousands of human intelligent tasks, or HITs, are available on Amazon Mechanical Turk, often known as MTurk. Many of these jobs need money-paying typing, such as data entry and voice transcription. While many of the available jobs aren't particularly well paid, they can add up over time, especially because the majority of them are pretty quick to do. It's also worth noting that many other sites that pay you to type online require you to have an MTurk account, so it's a good idea to sign up for those as well. Reddit is a treasure of knowledge for maximizing your MTurk earnings. Aberdeen, on the other hand, is a good site too. Aberdeen offers a lot of transcribing opportunities, and it's especially fantastic for getting paid to write closed caption TV subtitles, including live captioning. You can earn up to $1.50 per audio minute, which is very impressive compared to other sites. However, it's perhaps fair that profits are higher here because you'll be typing while watching live television. The caveat is that they have stringent standards for things like typing speed and equipment, including, in some circumstances, requiring you to have 2 computers as well as a backup internet connection and phone lines. You can earn money at Cyberdictate as well. Cyberdictate is for people interested in specializing in the field of typing for a living, as they only offer legal transcription jobs. The prerequisites are a bit demanding, requiring you to have worked in a law firm for at least 3 years in the previous 5 to 7 years, with a decent working knowledge of the legal language and document structure. Because you'll be creating formal communications, agreements, and legal papers like pleadings, this is necessary. Given the necessity for experience in this profession, your earnings will be greater than average, thus it's worth seeing if you fulfill their qualifications. Freelancer.com is number 4. Thousands of jobs are available on freelancer.com in practically every sector you can imagine, including typing jobs. The beautiful thing about jobs offered on this platform is that you can see the going rate right away and even filter out jobs that just don't pay enough. However, a substantial portion of the money you can make is legitimate. There are currently $17 an hour data entry jobs, $23 an hour transcribing jobs, $41 an hour type translation jobs, and $44 an hour subtitle correction jobs available. GoTranscript comes in next. GoTranscript is situated in the United Kingdom, but it works with people from all around the world to provide transcription and translation services. It's also extremely open about your prospective rewards, noting that you might earn up to 60 cents per minute of voice or video. The average monthly earnings are $150, with the highest monthly profits reaching $1,215 per month. You'll have to take a test that involves a non-native English speaker and low video quality to ensure that it closely resembles what an actual job may entail. You can also earn a 10% lifetime affiliate commission if you promote them and someone signs up through your link. Rev is another site to check out. Rev is one of the most well-known companies in the industry, offering a wide choice of paid typing jobs. Transcriptionists, for example, might earn anything from 30 cents to $1.10 per minute of audio or video. Captioners, meanwhile, would be expected to produce captions for videos, which will require them to quote-unquote creatively convey sounds and sync type audio with video at a rate of 54 cents to $1.10 per minute of audio or video. If you can type subtitles in a foreign language, you can earn even more money, anywhere from $1.50 to $3 for every audio or video minute. Applicants can live anywhere that accepts PayPal accounts and work as much or as little as they wish, ensuring their flexibility. Scribie is another website where you can get money by typing. Scribie has been in business since 2008, and it claims to have paid out more than $2 million to its transcribers, who are paid between $5 and $25 per every audio hour. Plus, every 3 hours of completed labor, you'll get an extra $5 each month. Each item is only a few minutes long, and you may preview each file you work on. One unique feature is that it delivers a free automated transcript, which implies that rather than typing out a transcript from the beginning, your job will be more focused on correcting it. According to the website, you will save 60% of your typing time. It's worth noting that Scribie's positions are open to anybody from anywhere, with the exception of California citizens, as the company has yet to comply with AB5. Finally, you should also visit TranscribeMe. TranscribeMe is one of the most popular audio transcription websites. Indeed, TranscribeMe appears to have the best rates in the market, with revenues ranging from $15 to $22 per audio hour, according to customer reviews. Many people make up to $2,200 per month, whereas those who simply work a few hours per month earn an average of $250. Because the jobs are so brief, most only require 1 to 2 minute clips to convert from audio, and you can work as much or as little as you choose. You can be based in any country that allows you to have a PayPal account, and you can be paid monthly as long as you've earned at least $20 and you're at least 18 years old. Getting paid to type online is a great way to make money, even if it's just to have some extra cash in your pocket. Plus, being able to type and earn money allows you to work whenever you want. We've come to the end of this video, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you've yet to do so. We'll see you in the next video.